Okay, so here we are looking at we're going to first look at some rotations of these two shapes and see what's the same. What do you notice about your shape now?
The icosahedron's edges are lined up with these icosahedron's edges.
So we put these shapes on the ground so that the icosahedrons are the same. Okay, what else is the same about these?
Well,
The cube
this here.
it's lined up with the octahedron's corner.
This part that comes off the cube.
Okay, so this part that we made specially to identify one face of the cube is pointing in the same direction as this point of the octahedron. Now, can you see another face of the cube over here? Can you point out another face of the cube?
Well, there's
So you can.
this face of the cube.
It's harder to see.
Okay, which face are you talking about?
So this.
How about the one on top?
Okay.
Okay, what do you notice about the one on top? What's pointing the same direction as the face on top over there?
This vertex
Okay.
of the octahedron.
Okay, very good. Now we're going to go one rotation of these top triangle structures. So rotate one triangle structure around.
Triangle. So that triangle was facing me. So now this triangle is facing.
Okay, what do you notice now about the similarity between the two shapes?
Now everything rotated, and the cube strut and the octahedron are still in the same position.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
still pointed the same way.
Okay, now do one more rotation that way.
And the same thing occurs.
The same thing is happening. Okay, now do one more rotation that way.
And it's still working.
Okay, and one more.
Then
And we're almost back.
We're almost back. One more and we're back to where we started. Isn't it interesting that these rotations are doing the same thing to the cube as they are to the octahedron?
whoa.
Isn't that interesting? It must
Yeah.
mean there's a relationship between what?
The cube and the cube and the octahedron.
The cube and the octahedron must be related to each other somehow. Okay, now we're going to go to the rotations of the triangles of the icosahedron. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.